Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a good, welcome back. So today, get ready with me. We're starting off with the wig, honey. We have this wig from Unice Hair. It is their 5x5 closure wig. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and also an elastic band. It is their body wave wig. It is about 22 inches, but I did cut some off at the end. Now, I did wear this wig before, so it's already bleached and customized. Everything is cut off, and I got some baby hairs there. So we're just going to apply it today. So the wig did come with some goodies. So first, we have some lashes, and then we have, like, I think they call this the Wig Grip. I think that's what it's called. And then I was like, what's in this box? So when I opened it up, I was really shocked. It was jewelry. I didn't know wig companies started giving you jewelry. I don't know if I'm going to wear it, but at least we got some jewelry. All right, y'all, let's try to get this wig together. So I know I want a center part because there's already one there, so I might as well rock out with it. So I'm taking my rat tail comb, and I'm going to try to get the center part as straight as possible. Now, I always start out, when I'm doing my wigs, I always start out with getting it flat before I try to do anything else to it. I couldn't decide if I wanted it straight or curly yet, so I just decided to start with the closure part. So what I'm doing is just parting it down the middle, and then as you can see, one side is very high than the other. I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm trying to flatten this wig as best as possible. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and I'm just, you know, trying to part it right. But then I'm going to part out the closure section of the wig, the entire all the way around. And then I'm going to go through the closure individual with my hot comb. And I'm going to go in with the Kara wax stick as well. That thing is the truth, y'all. Run to the closest beauty supply store and get it. Y'all will see it later on in the video when I'm showing it to you. That has your wig on flat for like until you wash your hair again. It's not like you have to keep applying it. That is the truth. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to part a thin layer off of the closure piece so that I can cover the track, because you don't want no track showing, sis. So I'm just parting a thin layer off of that closure, and I'm going to take my Kara wax stick that I've been bragging about, and then I'm going to use my hot comb, and I'm going to cover up that track. You're going to see me work, so I'm going to let you watch that, and then I'll catch y'all in the other portion of the video. Now, I know y'all see that. I know y'all see the difference. Look at the side that I already flattened to the other side. Listen, I used to wear my wigs both sides like the other side. But when you know better, now you do better. So sis, our wigs from now on is going to be on flat. And I'm telling you, it's that Kara wax stick. That made a big difference. Because I had a flat iron before. I never had a Kara wax stick before. So definitely go check it out. It is a little bit pricey. I paid $17, $16.99, but you know, it's worth it. Now, y'all, look at this wig. Both sides flattened. I already went in and flat ironed it and everything. Let's get to the installation piece. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. So as you can see, my braids are not fresh, so I have a lot of edges out. So what I'm going to do to make sure that my wig lays flat is I'm going to take this edge control right here, and I'm going to try to slick my edges back and have them lay as flat as possible. And just to make sure they lay flat, I'm going to take some of my Got2b Freeze spray. And I'm going to spray it on there. I'm going to take my blow dryer and hold it down for a couple seconds. This step is optional, to be honest. So now I'm going to install her. I'm not going to wear any cap or anything because it's just a 5x5 closure. So So we're gonna ease her back some. Before I start gluing anything down, I'm just gonna take my rubbing alcohol and wipe off any excess edge control or anything that I just sprayed, or any oils from my face where I'm gonna put the glue. I'm just gonna measure up where I want to place this. So it seems like it's from right here to here. Love a 5x5. Like, it literally goes all the way. I can't really install frontals, y'all, so this is as close to them as I'm gonna get until I learn. So what I'm gonna do, take my Got To Be Free spray. I like using this spray because I take my wigs off at night, so I don't need them to like stay on. And I do 2 layers. I'm gonna apply one more layer. Sometimes it's easier to not comb your edges out because then your edges get stuck. So you could just push them back or just wait to do your edges. I like to do it on a mannequin head just because it's easier for me. Alright. So now I'm gonna take this elastic band that I cut. I have a big roll. I got it from Amazon. I'll link that below. So I just honestly just leave this on for maybe a good 5 minutes. You can leave it longer, it's just up to you. But I'm gonna tie it down again once I do my edges so it'll have time to really like melt into my scalp. So let's see. Your edges, if you do it, your edges like I do it, like before, they will be like with the glue. All you gotta do is just comb them out. So edges are the hardest thing for me to do. I don't know why, y'all, but they are. Like, people make it look so easy, but they're so difficult for me. So I just honestly just do a quick swoop through and hopefully they come out right. So for my edges, I use my mousse. You can use whatever mousse. I am using the Lotta Body mousse. Got from the hair store, real affordable. I'm using my edge brush. I usually do maybe like 3 baby hairs on a 5x5. So 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle. Some days I just do 2 on the side because the one in the middle be stressing your girl out. And y'all, I probably just honestly speed through this process because I'm not good at it. But y'all can watch my struggle, okay? Y'all can definitely watch my struggle. And if you out here struggling with laying your edges too, we can relate, sis. What tips y'all have? Because my best friend be telling me a lot of mousse and slow. And I be like, I don't got patience. The good thing about this is, and the good thing about me starting to do more hair videos, is we're gonna watch my growth. We're gonna look back on this day and we're gonna be like, Dad, you remember when you could not lay your edges, and look at you now, honey. I'm be like, you right. So it's a journey for me. Y'all, I had to call my best friend. I had to call her. I figured out the issue. So before I called her, I'm like, I looked at a picture that I took when she did my edges one time, and they were much shorter and like not thick like these. I don't know how to make them thinner right now. I mean, I guess plucking, but I don't got time for that. So I cut them down and that made it easier. So a quick tip, if you're like me and you're struggling with these, I'm scared to even touch it, but this is bothering me. Try to cut them and don't make them as long. All right, let's tie them down. Now that the hair is out the way, let's get started with the makeup. I feel like we spend a lot of time on hair. All right, so I'm gonna prime my face with my Milk Hydro Primer. This primer is the truth. I saw that they came out with like a setting spray. I don't know if it just came out. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I gotta have that. So I need to go to Sephora to try and get it. But the primer is bomb, so I know the setting spray is gonna be bomb. Even though I do like my setting spray right now, but you know, just to try something new. Alright, for the makeup part is gonna be like a music over because I use the same product, same thing. I'm not really a makeup guru, but I'm just showing you how I'm getting ready. Got to do my eyebrows, y'all. Shows how rusty I am. I haven't been on here in a minute, so I'm forgetting what to do. And I haven't done my makeup in a long time as well, so. Face is done. Done. Real simple, nothing crazy. All right, y'all, we're almost there, so let's take this off and pray these edges are still in place. All right, honey, yes they are. Thank you, Jesus. All right, so obviously makeup wasn't able to get up here the way I wanted it to, so what I'm gonna do first, I have two options here. I have this lace tint that I got from the Beauty Supply store. It's in the color, what color is this? It's in the color medium dark brown. And I usually use this to like, just a little bit because you don't want a lot. For the places where your lace is, you know, you can see the lace, we're trying to avoid that. And sometimes I put it down the middle of my part as well, because I did not pluck my wig, so I use this to like define the part a little bit better. So that's one option. The other option is to just take like your foundation. I use powder and I just use that to blend it in even more to give it that nice blurred look. So you have two options. You can use a lace tint if you want to and then do it that way. It's all up to you, to be honest. And then I'm just gonna take my foundation brush, and y'all see that line of demarcation, and I'm just gonna buff it in until it's not as visible anymore. My edges, I do go back in and comb them out. I don't like when they look like real stiff, so I'm gonna just give them a nice comb through. They're still gonna be in place, so don't worry. You're just gonna comb them out a bit and make them look less crispy. I like it. I bangs with it. You know, the edges are a work in progress, but it's okay. I like it. Do you like it? Let me know down below. Anyway, let's go get dressed because that's what we're here for. My favorite part, honestly, is the outfits. I love the hair too. It's outfit, hair, but without your hair you don't look right. So maybe it's hair, outfit, and then makeup. Makeup, I'm no makeup guru. I just put something on and I legit do the same face every single time. So now it's time to get dressed. I can go take these pictures. Daylight saving time. Y'all know it'd be dark by 4 o'clock. Y'all, here is the outfit. I have this shirt on from Pretty Little Thing. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. They're mighty long. I'm going to show you in a second. These earrings are from Fashion Nova. This chain is from Fashion Nova. Got my Michael Kors watch and this Pandora bracelet and my usual ring. These don't come off, so whatever I'm dressing, they get dressed with them. So yeah, this is the outfit. So this portion of today's Get Ready With Me is in partnership with Teddy Blake's. They were kind enough to send me over one of their designer luxury bags, period. So in all honesty, I've had this package since maybe August, but with everything that's been going on, if you want to know, check out my life update video. I've just had it in the package, did not open it or anything like that, so we're gonna open it up today. So this is the box that it comes in. Really cute and minimal, just really nice and elegant. I love like a basic but cute packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, it says Teddy Blake New York designer handbags. It's made in Italy and it has luxury leather, honey. It says each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choice, period. So let's open it up. It comes wrapped in this paper. And it also comes wrapped in bubble wrap. They're not playing, okay? We're gonna protect this bag no matter what. They come in another bag. I love when items come in like their own carrying bag. This is what my bag looked like. So this is the one I chose. It's this nice light gray bag. All the specs about this will be in the description box along with the direct link and the general link to the Teddy Blake website if you want to check them out. I'll also have a coupon code for you down below if you want to check them out. Go ahead and let them know BrightAsDae sent you. So this bag is really cute. Really, you can feel it's like real leather. So to open up the bag, you just turn these things and it flips that way. And it opens up that way. Ooh. And then on the inside is just probably just paper to keep it, you know. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Alright, so let's open it up. Just paper on the inside. Also have straps as well if you want to bring it like a cross bag or like a shoulder bag. But I love bringing my purses like this, so this is great. I love the color, the quality. Like, oh my god, I have nothing like this in my closet, so this is perfect. I know this bag is in 9 inches, so I like small bags. This is big enough to hold everything that I carry on a daily. My wallet and my keys, and now my camera can fit in there. I'm good. And this bag is very deep. I know it looks narrow, but like it's a lot of space down in there that can fit everything that I need. I just love, oh my god, I love the detail, the gold detail. Right, the fact that I have nothing like this in my closet right now is perfect. Like, this is just so cute. I wanted to pair with today's outfit, but it doesn't really match. But you will be seeing this on the gram in another Get Ready With Me in something. I just want to thank Teddy Blake for sending me this item and for being so patient with me. This is going back in this bag right here, honey. And this is my starter collection, because this is not my only luxury bag that I'm gonna own, honey. We're gonna have more. So this is my starter collection, so it's going at a special spot in my closet so again and make room for the others that are coming. Speak it into existence, period. And if you love this video, go ahead and thumbs up. I am back. Drop some love down below. I want y'all to drop some brown hearts down below if you watch until the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.